got a snuggly new breakfast to do. And you know what? You're coming with me. Let's do this. Woo!
Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and it is one of those days where you just want to cuddle up and eat something really, really good. It is raining, and that's okay because I have some work to do inside. We're going to make a meal that I think you're going to really enjoy. It is a gnocchi hash with chorizo and sausage. I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. We're going to throw an egg on top of it all and just eat it all up. But first, we've got to knock out the mise en place. I talk about this all the time. You want to chop up everything, get it ready to go before you actually start cooking, and then it makes everything easier. So let's get that step out of the way right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some butter and some olive oil in a pan. We're going to take some sausage and then some chorizo and start cooking that down before we add in the onions, mushrooms, and tomatoes. We are going to throw a little cream in this as well, some cheese, and then once the gnocchi is ready to go, we'll drop the gnocchi into the hash. So let's get started. So for the sausage, I'm just taking a mild Italian sausage that I have that's broken down into patties. I'm going to chop that up and put it in, and then we're going to use some chorizo. Into the pan next, we're going to put in the onions, the mushroom, and the tomatoes. The gnocchi is now into the water. We're going to let that boil and then come up. Once they start floating, we'll take those out and start putting it into our sausage gravy, kind of that hash there, and start mixing it all together. Then the final thing that we're going to do with that is we're going to throw in some cheese. We're also going to add in some Parmesan cheese to that and mix that all up before cooking our eggs. We're gonna do our eggs last because I like to cook the eggs in the same pan as the chorizo sausage to get some of that flavor in there. The coffee is working, it's getting ready. I feel this thing is all coming together, don't you? The eggs are done. It's time to plate everything up and eat this bad boy. I cannot wait. Voila, there you have it. It is the egg and chorizo / sausage gravy. It looks really good. Let's try it. You know, the gnocchi hash is perfect. You know, all gnocchi is potatoes. So you're substituting potatoes in your hash with gnocchi, and it tastes great. You know, I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the description below. And next time you're out there, maybe you'll try something like this. Let me know how it turns out. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. You can follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun, enjoy a great breakfast to start your day.